Electrolytic stone, also known as carbide, immediately reacts violently when it encounters water. Electrolytic stone ball press is not formed for the following reasons. First, the ingredients are not scientific. Is the electrolytic stone poured in the blender, mixed evenly through the conveyor belt for grinding? The operation of this batching process is greatly affected by human factors. 2 is because the electrolytic stone ball press gap is large, with strong powder ability. Staff, in order to improve the electrolytic stone ball press working hours and electrolytic stone ball output, often regardless of the quality of the ball, and the use of increasing the electrolytic stone ball press wheel clearance, so that the electrolytic stone ball becomes larger, resulting in the intensity of the electrolytic stone ball. In addition, it is also possible to cause the waste of electrolytic stone, because the electrolytic stone ball press roller distance is too large, so that the strength of the ball egg is insufficient. Once broken, it is possible to cause the electrolytic stone waste.